In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Coda.io. Whether you're organizing tasks, tracking priorities, or standardizing inputs across your team, a drop-down keeps your data clean and consistent, and it takes just a minute to set up. Start in any Coda table. If you don't already have a column for your choices, create one by clicking the plus icon in the top right corner of your table. This adds a new column that will turn into a drop-down. Give it a clear name so people understand what belongs there, for example, priority or status. Then we'll set the column type. Open the column settings and search for select list, then choose it. This tells Coda that cells in this column should show a drop-down rather than free-form text. Using a select list prevents typos and ensures everyone picks from the same set of options. Now add your options. If you already know exactly what you want, type them manually in the column settings. You might enter values like high, medium, and low. Add them in the order you want people to see, and keep capitalization consistent so your table looks polished. This is perfect when your list is short and unlikely to change often. If you'd like a head start, choose a preset. Coda offers common lists, like status or priority, so you can get up and running quickly without reinventing the wheel. Presets are great when your needs match a standard workflow and you want something reliable right away. For setups that need to stay perfectly in sync across multiple places, use relation to pull options from another table. Pick relation and point it to the table that contains the rows you want as your options. That source table becomes your single source of truth. So when you add or rename an item there, your drop-down updates automatically everywhere it's used. This is ideal for shared catalogs like teams, categories, or product lines. Finally, decide whether users should be able to choose more than one option. Toggle allow multiple selections if a single row could belong to several categories at once. Leave it off if you want exactly one choice per row, which is common for fields like priority or status. That's it. You've created a clean, consistent drop-down that makes your table easier to use and your data easier to trust. As you work, you can always return to the column settings to adjust options, switch between manual entries, presets, or a related table, and change the selection behavior to match your evolving workflow.